Welcome back, guys. We're gonna do a little retro, but this time we're gonna do an iPod classic. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is one of my favorites, comparing to the iPod Touch. As a matter of fact, let me show you the iPod Touch. Okay, here we go. I found it, guys. This is an iPod Touch, so you guys can see it's kind of like not too bad. It just doesn't hold that much, doesn't hold that much, and the charger doesn't last that long. So yeah, so let's go back to the iPod Classic. As you can see, guys, very good quality. I got this little protector, but let's get it out of there. We can go over a little bit. Let's see. I don't know what version, if it's possible. It's pretty hard to focus, but let's see if we can go to settings, see what version do I have. Go to about. That's the serial number right there. I don't know if that'll be able to focus. There you have it, guys. MC297LL. That's the iPod Classic. I believe this one is about 160 gigabytes to be exact. So yeah, one of my favorite ones, guys. Very good iPod. Well, let's put it back in here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the comparison with the new one. All right, there's a Classic, and let's get the new one out. Sorry about that. Okay, I got it open. This is a pretty cool case. I got it from Amazon, because I know Best Buy didn't have this kind of cases. This one protects the back and the front, so as you guys can see, kind of small too. So this is the back. And let me see if I can get the front out of here. There we go. There's the iPod. I think this is the latest generation of the iPod Touch. I mean, it's okay. It just whenever you trying to go with your songs, it's kind of hard. It's not as easy like the wheel on the Classic. So yeah, kind of hard to deal with. But the storage doesn't have a good big capacity too. So if you want to extend it to a big storage, you gotta spend a little more money. So price wise, you do have to pay a little extra compared to the iPod Classic. And this is the protector that I use, just in case you guys are interested. You can find this on Amazon. Well, there's just a little quick review, guys, on the iPod Touch, the Classic, and the latest version. Hope you guys enjoying this content. Please like and subscribe. I will bring you, a little of this, a bit of everything, new, old, of everything. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.